Today we'll be listening to Clara and the Book Wagon, Chapter 2, A Trip to Town, beginning on page 20. Clara and Mama were scrubbing clothes. "Mama! Clara!" Papa called. "I have to go into town. We need more corn seed." "We need flour and sugar too," Mama said. "Can I go with you?" asked Clara. "I promised to help." Papa smiled. "Come along, then," he said. Clara helped Papa hitch the horse to the wagon. Town was a long way off, almost 7 miles. "We will be back by sundown," Papa told Mama. Mama waved good-bye. Hands waved good-bye. Baby Ann cried. Clop, clop, clop. The horse plodded along. The sun was warm. The spring air smelled good. Clara and Papa rode until they came to a stream. "This looks like a good spot to rest," said Papa. He pulled the wagon to a stop. Clara ran to the stream and cupped her hands to drink the clear, cool water. "How good this tastes, Papa," said Clara. Papa took a drink and splashed water on his face. "It feels good, too," he said. Then Papa gave the horse a drink. "Papa, do you know what else would taste good?" Clara asked. "What?" said Papa. "A peppermint stick," said Clara. "A trip to town would not be the same without a candy treat," Papa said. Clara and Papa climbed back in the wagon and rode on. At last they came to town. Mr. Holzer greeted them at the store. "Nice weather we are having," he said. "Yes," said Papa, "great weather for planting." Clara looked around the store. There was thread for sewing. There were pots for cooking. There were tools for building. Then Clara saw the books. A shelf full of books. Clara took down one book and opened it. There were so many letters. There were so many words. It made her dizzy. "Well, well," said Mr. Holzer. "So you want to borrow a book?" Clara looked up. "How much does it cost?" she asked. "It does not cost a cent. It is a library book," said Mr. Holzer. "My store is a book station." "It does not cost anything to borrow a book?" Clara asked. "That is right," said Mr. Holzer. "The books are free of charge." Papa handed Clara a peppermint stick. "Hey, Clara," he said, "you almost forgot your candy treat. Come! It is time to load the wagon. It is time to start for home."